Today we're going to look at word relationships, which is a vocabulary skill on page 37 of the Grab and Go. There are 3 different secure skills here, but we're only going to focus on one, explain the meaning of an idiom, because in Unit 1 that is what we're focused on. So we're actually going to then go all the way down to the bottom. Oop, that jumped us to the next page. Go all the way to the bottom and look at our idiom examples. So an idiom is a saying that's very common in our language, but it does not mean what it says. So here are some idioms that we have. I know you want your notebook back, but you are barking up the wrong tree. I wasn't even here when you put it down, so I certainly do not have it. So barking up the wrong tree does not mean that we are standing at a tree barking, but instead what it means is that you're asking the wrong person. And another idiom would be, wow, he sure is on the ball. He has everything ready and we just got here. So on the ball does not mean that you are literally standing on a ball, but it's a figurative saying that means that you are ready and prepared. So we will be looking at some more idioms that we use commonly in language that express what we mean without literally using the words that we mean.